Oral tradition, cultural and folk heritage of Northeast India and beyond Podhepi and Ponsi, Deithor Government Model College along nithom apharman National Seminar kebi. National Seminar kebi along Professor Indira Choudhury Bangalore, Dr. Tilak Hazarika Cotton University Lapen, Mr. Elvin Teron Advisor CM Karbi Anglong Thomas Council, Dr. Dharam Singh Teron, Director Center for Karbi Studies, Dr. Anil Das, Principal Eastern Karbi Anglong College, Binod Gogoi, General Secretary, NRL Employees Union, Grace the occasion lapen, Padmasri Dhaneswaring Tiatumpen Danglok, Pinangan Kithegidingatum Chitong Dununti. National Seminars kebi along NRL, ICSSR, SBI Tumpensi, Chirapchito Padopondo. Oral traditions, cultural and folk heritage of Northeast India and beyond Podhepi and Ponsi, Deithor Government Model College along nithom apharman National Seminar kebi pondo. La sohut pinangan students tumpen kikan kirun traditional dress lapen kibu kileng kitab ke jor ason padu ponsi mei misen pen pachun pondo. News report Karbi Anglong Live.